inclusive method of class interval. Based on this, we have the problems on classification. The first problem which I have written over here. Here the problem is we have to prepare a frequency distribution table with class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, etc. And the values are given to you. Now, how to prepare a frequency distribution table by using this example? Always, whenever there is a frequency distribution table, first of all, we have to start with calculation of range. We have to start with calculation of range. Now, how to calculate the range? Range is nothing but highest value minus lowest value. Highest value minus lowest value. It is not upper limit minus lower limit. It is highest value minus lowest value. Okay. Now, in this given example, check out what is the highest value. In this only one first example, what is the highest value? Here, highest value is 69. Highest value is 69 minus lowest. The lowest value is 3. Therefore, range value is 66. Therefore, range value is 66. This is the first step of solving the classification problem. Always we have to start with range. How to calculate range? It is highest value minus lowest value. In this given example, highest value is 69. So 69 minus lowest value is 3. Lowest value is 3. So the range is 66. Why to calculate the range, that I explain afterwards. Okay. Now once you know the range, write down the heading as frequency distribution table. Heading is frequency distribution table. Now, how to prepare this frequency distribution table? Now, in this frequency distribution table, we have to prepare 3 columns. We have to prepare how many columns? 3 columns. Here, first column is class intervals. First column is class intervals. Second column is tally bar. And third column is frequency. Keep some more space for tally bar column. Always we have to prepare 3 columns, that is class interval, tally bar and frequency. Now check this problem. Whether in this problem classes are given to you or not. Read the problem carefully. Now in this problem you see, prepare a frequency distribution table with class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, etc. Means in this problem, the class intervals are already given to you. Correct? So, when you write the class interval, start with the given class interval. Start with the given class. What is the first class given to you? It is given as 0 to 10. What is the second class given? 10 to 20. Like this, we have to write the values or write the classes up to highest value. Your highest value is 69, right? In range we have taken. So next class will be 20 to 30. Then 30 to 40. 40 to 50. 50 to 60. And last class will be 60 to 70. Because highest value is 69, which comes under 60 to 70. Don't take 70 to 80 because there is no value of in the range of 70 to 80. It is of no use. Okay. Now we will start with the tally bar column. We will go one by one. First of all, we have to write down the class interval. Now we have written as per the given class intervals. We have written the class intervals here. Now this is exclusive or inclusive method. Check the upper limit. If upper limit is once again repeated as lower limit, it is treated as exclusive method. If it is not repeated, it is treated as inclusive method. Now see, here 10 is the upper limit, which is repeated once again as lower limit of the next class. Therefore, it is called as exclusive method of class interval. Now, when you solve the problems on exclusive method, we will start one by one. What is the first value? Here, first value is 6. First value is 6. 6 comes under which class? It comes under 0 to 10. So, come to tally bar column, just mark it one line over here. Tally bar column, just mark it one line. Okay. Go to second value. 69. 69 comes under 60 to 70. Come to tally bar column, mark it under. Like this, you have to consider all the values. Next one is 58. 58 comes under 50 to 60. So go to 50 to 60, mark it. Next one is 30. Right? This is important. The next value is 30. Okay. For this 30, there are two classes available, like 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. So under which class we have to take such values? Now this 30 always we have to take under fresh class interval. Under fresh class. Here fresh class is 30 to 40. Why we have to take this under fresh class? Because it is called as exclusive method. All of you know we are using exclusive method. Exclusive method means here upper limit we have to take under the next class. Upper limit of one class should be excluded from that and we have to take under next class. So it is called as exclusive method. Now this 30 comes under 20 to 30 also and 30 to 40 also. But 20 to 30, here we have to exclude 30 and 30 we have to take under fresh class. So 30 to 40. Next one is 54. 54 comes under 50 to 60. Mark it one more line. 63, it comes under 60 to 70. Another line. Next value is 17. 17 comes under 10 to 20. Then 41. 41 comes under 40 to 50. Next one. 47. 40 to 50. 33. 33 comes under 30 to 40. 44. 44 comes under 40 to 50. 57. 57 comes under 50 to 60. 49. 49 comes under 40 to 50. 34 comes under 30 to 40. 33 again 30 to 40. 54. 54 comes under 50 to 60. 23. 23 comes under 20 to 30. 36. 36 comes under 30 to 40. But here you see. In 30 to 40, already 4 lines are over. And this 36 comes under 30 to 40. So always fifth line we should mark it as a cross line. These are the only two rules you have to follow now. Okay. 22. 22 comes under 20 to 30. 32 comes under 30 to 40. 32 comes under 30 to 40, but already 5 lines are over. Keep some space over here, again start. Next one is 20. 20 where you will take? It comes under fresh class, that is 20 to 30. 33. 33 comes under 30 to 40. 9. 9 comes under 0 to 10. 28. 28 comes under 20 to 30. 30. 30 comes under 30 to 40, that is the fresh class. 42. 42 comes under 40 to 50. Now here also 4 lines are over, 5th line is a cross line. 43. 43 again comes under 40 to 50, but 5 lines are over, again start. Then 3. 3 comes under 0 to 10. Next value is 32. 32 comes under 30 to 40. 57. 57 comes under 50 to 60. Here also 4 lines are over. 5th line is a cross line. Next is 27. 27 comes under 20 to 30. Here also 4 lines are over, fifth line is a cross line. 24 again comes under 20 to 30, but 5 lines are over. Again you have to start. Keep some gap, again start. 14 comes under 10 to 20. 23 comes under 20 to 30. 11 comes under 10 to 20. 35 comes under 30 to 40, but again 4 lines are over, it is a fifth line, so it is a cross line. 10, where you will take 10? Always in a fresh class, that is 10 to 20. 23 comes under 20 to 30. 41 comes under 40 to 50. 10 comes under fresh class, that is 10 to 20. 4 lines are over, fifth line is a cross line. 32 comes under 30 to 40. Now again 5 lines are over, keep some gap, again start. 53 comes under 50 to 60. 5 lines are over, keep some gap, again start. 20 to 30. 25, again 20 to 30, but again 4 lines are over, fifth line is a cross line. 20 comes under fresh class, that is 20 to 30. Again here 5 lines are over, keep some gap, again start. 33 comes under 30 to 40. Then 40 comes under 40 to 50. 17 comes under 10 to 20. Here also 5 lines are over, fifth line is a, keep some gap and start again. 18 again comes under 10 to 20. And last value is 28, which comes under 20 to 30. Which comes under 20 to 30. We have considered all the values. We have taken into account all the values, right? Have I left anything? No. We have to take all the values given in the problem. Now count the lines in tally bar column. For 0 to 10, how many lines are there? 3. Means your frequency is 3. 10 to 20, how many lines are there? 5 plus 2, 7. 20 to 30, 5 plus 5 plus 2, 12. 30 to 40, again 12. 40 to 50, 5 plus 3, 8. 50 to 60, 5 plus 1, 6. And 60 to 70, only 2 are there. Make the total and write here as total. The total is like this. We have to solve the problem of classification, or we have to prepare a frequency table by using the given values. Now this is a simple problem. Why it is a simple problem? Because classes are directly given to you. Classes are directly given to you. But suppose if the classes are not given, in this problem we have calculated the range, but I have not used that range anywhere. Correct, no? I have not used that range anywhere because range is important to know the class intervals. By using range we can fix our class intervals. But in this problem class intervals are directly given to us. So we have not applied the range anywhere. But we will go to the next problem. We will go to the next problem. And in next problem class intervals are missing. Class intervals are missing. Come to this side. Come to this side. Here I have written one more problem. One more problem. Now in this problem you see what we have to prepare. We have to prepare a frequency table with suitable class intervals. Means class intervals are not given to you. Classes are not given to you. Now when classes are not given to you, range comes into picture. Range comes into picture. By using range we have to fix the classes. Okay, this is the problem given to you. I have written all the values. We will start with the range. Whatever may be the case, if the classes are given or if the classes are not given, first step is to calculate the range. First step is to calculate the range. Now again I will write the formula of range here. Range is nothing but highest value minus lowest value. Highest value minus lowest value. Now check out what is the highest value in this problem. What is the highest value in this problem? The highest value is I think 90 is the highest value, minus lowest is 5. Highest value is 90, lowest value is 5. Therefore range is equal to 80. Range value is 80. This is our first step while solving the problem on classification or while solving the problem on frequency distribution table. First of all, we have to start with the range. Now once you know the range, again write down the heading as frequency distribution table. So write down the heading as frequency distribution table. Now under this frequency distribution table, again we have to prepare same 3 columns like class intervals. Second column is tally bar and third column is frequency. Third column is frequency. Go for the 3: class interval, tally bar and frequencies. Now how to take the classes? In previous problem you see, classes were already given to you, so we have started with the given classes. We have gone up to highest value, right? But how to take the classes under this? Because classes are not given. They are given, prepare a frequency table with suitable class interval. Now whenever the classes are not given to you, always you have to go for exclusive method. Always you have to go for exclusive method. But how to take the classes? Here? It depends upon your range. Now see, your range value is 85, correct? Just now we have calculated our range value is 85. How much difference we have to take under each class? This we have to consider, and it is nothing but a trial and error basis. Suppose if I want a difference of 5, in each class, this 85 I will divide by 5 because I want a difference of 5. In that case, I will get 17 classes. I will get 17 classes in class interval. But this is not appropriate. Because as per the rule, there must be minimum 5 classes. There must be minimum how many classes? 5 classes and maximum 12 classes. Means you can take in this class interval column, minimum you can take 5 classes, you can take maximum 12 classes. But you cannot take hardly 4 classes over here. You cannot take 13th class also. That is also wrong. So your class interval should be between 5 and number of class intervals should be between 5 and 12. Now suppose, take same example. Our range is 85 and I want a difference of 5 in each class. So I will divide this by 5. I will get 17 classes and our range is 5 to 12. It is inappropriate. We cannot take 17 classes in class interval column. So we have to increase the difference. So same range 85 I will divide by 10. Means I want now difference of 10. How many classes I will get? I will get 8.5 classes, or max to max I will get 9 to 10 classes. If I get 9 classes, it is in the limit of, our limit is 5 to 12. I can take minimum 5 and maximum 12, and 9 comes under this limit. Correct? So the appropriate class interval, the difference in class interval must be 10. This point is most important. Now see, our lower limit is how much? 5. Our lowest value is 5 and highest value is 90. Accordingly, we have to take the class interval. Now I will start here with 0 to 10. I will start with 0 to 10. You can take 5 to 15 also, no problem for that. You can take 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, like this you can go up to 85 to 95. But it will confuse you. So better to go for 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and one more is there, 90 to 100. Check out, there are how many classes I have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 classes I have taken, which is within the limit, no problem. You can start as it is now. Again, what is the first value now? 64. 64 comes under 60 to 70. 64 comes under 60 to 70. Next, 26 comes under 20 to 30. 26 comes under 20 to 30. 46 comes under 40 to 50. 85 comes under 80 to 90. 42 comes under 40 to 50. 38 comes under 30 to 40. 10, where will we take 10? 10 always in a fresh class, that is 10 to 20. 55 comes under 50 to 60. 72 comes under 70 to 80. 65 comes under 60 to 70. 55 comes under 50 to 60. 47 comes under 40 to 50. 59 comes under 50 to 60. 60 to 70. 52. Now 52 comes under 50 to 60. 54 comes under 50 to 60. 4 lines are over, fifth line is always a cross line. 48 comes under 40 to 50. 60 to 70. 81, 80 to 90. 8, 0 to 10. 44, 40 to 50. Now see here, in 40 to 50 also 4 lines are over, fifth line is a cross line. 74, 70 to 80. 50, where you will take 50? Always in a fresh class, that is 50 to 60, but already 5 lines are over. Keep some gap and again start. 52, again 50 to 60. 66, 60 to 70, 4 lines are over, fifth line is a cross line. 38, 30 to 40. 77, 70 to 80. 88, 80 to 90. 17, 10 to 20. 58, 50 to 60. 15, 10 to 20. 25, 20 to 30. 49, 40 to 50. Here 5 lines are over, keep some gap, again start. 71, 70 to 80. 64, 60 to 70. 5 lines are over, again start. 63, again 60 to 70. 53, 50 to 60. 50 comes under fresh class, that is 50 to 60. Here 4 lines are over, fifth line is a cross line. 70 to 80, 4 lines are over, fifth line is a cross line. 50 to 60, here again 5 lines are over, keep some gap, start. 60 comes under fresh class, that is 60 to 70. 61 comes under 60 to 70. 75 comes under 70 to 80, keep some gap, again start. 80 comes under fresh class, that is 80 to 90. Now 90, where we will take 90? 90 comes under 90 to 100. For that reason I have written here 90 to 100 as a class interval. 5 comes under 0 to 10. 16 comes under 10 to 20. 51 comes under 50 to 60. 61 comes under 60 to 70, fifth line, cross line. And 36 comes under 30 to 40. 30 to 40. I have taken all the values into consideration, but in this problem, important thing is how to take the class interval. I will explain once again, but we will finish this one. For 0 to 10, there in tally bar column there are 2 lines, means frequency is 2. 10 to 20, 4 lines, means frequency is 4. 20 to 30, 2 lines, means frequency is 2. 30 to 43 lines, 3. 40 to 50, 6. 5 plus 5 plus 2, 12. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 and 1. Make the total. The total is again. These are the 2 important sums on classification or frequency table. In first problem I have taken simple problem where classes are given to you. Second problem I have taken where classes are not given to you. If classes are directly given to you, you can start the class interval column on that from that particular class interval. Whatever will be the first given class, write down that starter. But in this second problem, class intervals are not given. Second problem, class intervals are not given. So when class intervals are not given, I will explain once again. Range comes into picture. Now in this problem, our range is 85. You should know or you should remember the limit of class interval, number of class intervals in class interval column. The limit is 5 to 12. Limit is always 5 to 12. Means minimum we have to take 5 classes or maximum we can take 12 classes. You cannot take hardly 4 classes, you cannot take 13th class also. Both are wrong. Okay. So in between that you have to feed the difference between the class intervals. Take the same example. 85 is the range and it is completely on trial and error basis. This 85, suppose if I want a difference of 5 in each class, like 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, like this. Suppose if I want difference of 5, I will try to divide this range by 5. That is my difference. I will get how many classes? 17 classes. And my limit is 5 to 12. So 17 is above the limit. We cannot take the difference of 5. What to do in that case? Increase the difference. Increase the difference. I will increase the difference to 10. So 85 divided by 10 means I want a difference of 10. I will get 8.5 or max to max 9 or 10 classes, which comes under the limit of means the difference between each class interval must be 10 in this problem. Now here lower limit is 5. There is one more question. There is one more doubt. Here lower value is 5. Why I have taken 0 to 10? Because 5 comes under 0 to 10. 5 comes under 0 to 10, and highest value is 90. 90 comes under fresh class, that is 90 to 100. If you don't want such type of classes, you can start with 5 to 10, 15 also. Then 15 to 25. 25 to 35. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to start from 0. No. You can write like this also, but it will confuse you. So I have taken straight away 0 to 10, 10 to 20, go up to 90 to 100. Okay. So for today, these two problems are enough. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. No problem for me. Okay, but this is the important one. Because next topics, average, dispersion, skewness, other topics are completely dependent upon exclusive and inclusive method.